Hi guys, welcome back to RosaRay and happy Thanksgiving to everyone today. So today we're going to have a little challenge for me, I guess. I'm going to try to cook my entire Thanksgiving dinner in my Instant Pot and my air fryer. No stove, no oven. Because I want to learn how to see if I could survive. Because especially that we're going to go RVing soon. We want to be able to cook out, still have our Thanksgiving dinner and be able to use those three appliances. So I decided to make a turkey breast instead of a whole turkey because there's only 3 of us that is going to be eating. Oh, and one more person that's we're helping out. So this is the turkey breast right here. I already started seasoning it. It's pretty cool, pretty big. So I know I like the wing and my son likes the drumstick, but we'll deal with it this year. So I'm gonna try to make we're gonna make my own homemade stuffing this year. And I got cranberries, and we're going to have cranberry sauce that we're making also homemade with the Instant Pot. And mashed potatoes. You know, everybody knows the Instant Pot makes the best mashed potatoes. So hopefully this dinner come out great. And you guys are going to be able to see me in progress because my husband's going to be vlogging. And then we could show the whole end of product at the end when we're going to get ready to yum, yum, yum. Okay? So see you guys soon. Hi guys, and welcome back. So I'm gonna start this preparation. It's about 1 o'clock. So the first thing I'm gonna make is the cranberry sauce. So I bought a bag of cranberries. My first time. I usually used to buy just the can and just pop it out of the can and put it on our plate. But this year I've tried to be a little creative. So let me get a bowl. Open this package up. This is about a 12-ounce package. Check to see if there's any cranberries that look a little mushy. We'll take those out. We want nice fresh ones. Like this one, no, yak yak. Yak yak. They look delicious. So I got this for $1, Walmart. So it's pretty good price. Okay. Oh, I'm going to rinse them out. So I'm going to do it in my 3-quart Instant Pot. So I'm going to put the cranberries in the bottom. Then I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of orange juice. That'll be my liquid, nice. If you have fresh squeezed oranges, it's better, but we don't have oranges right now. So, even though we're in Florida, but I just think. So that's 1 cup. I mean, that's a 1/2 cup. And that makes it 1 whole cup. Okay. And now I'm going to add some sugar. I'm going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar. You could make it either... So I'm adding a cup of sugar. If you don't like it too sweet, you can add a 1/2 cup of sugar. Or if you don't want only white sugar, you can add a 1/2 cup of white sugar and then a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. But I'm just going to keep it simple because this is my first time. So I've seen a lot of people online say a cup of sugar, so I like it sweet, so let's see how much is I think that should be enough. Yeah, we just put the whole thing, whatever. Now we're gonna add some vanilla extract. We're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. There you go. And if you want to add nutmeg and all that other stuff, you could. But I don't want to have too much stuff. I like mostly, I want to taste my cranberries. So now you mix it a little. Mix the sugar in there. And this is the easy part. Guess what? 4 minutes. And then let it naturally release so it doesn't, because if you do, it's going to just squirt all over the place. So it already smells good. Okay. So let's see how this goes. And make sure you put it on venting to seal it. And then you're going to put, it's already on 4 minutes. And then we're going to just let it release naturally. It should take about 20 minutes to release naturally. So now, that's it. My first step. See you when it's done. So, hi guys, I'm back. So, the Instant Pot already finished. So far, I let it naturally release for 15 minutes. And it's already all released. So, dun, 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 dun. Now we're going to open it. See how this looks. Ooh, I'm gonna burn myself. Very yummy. And I heard that when you make it, as you let it sit, it gets thicker. So, oh, very nice. Looks delicious. Now we have to just put it, let it get room temperature, and then stick it in the refrigerator, and then you have nice, cold, nice, juicy cranberry sauce. It smells delicious. Oh my God, you can smell those fresh cranberries.
You could smell it.
Smell it, right? It smells really good. So, I don't know if I should taste it because it might be a little hot, but I'll try. So the next thing I'm going to put in now, I'm going to put my turkey in so you guys could wash this too. Oh, it's delicious. Oh, it's perfect. The right amount of sugar and everything. So, as you let it sit, it'll start thickening and it gets a little thicker than that because right now it's really watery. And then once it's room temperature, I'm going to stick it in the refrigerator for like an hour or two. By the time dinner's done, it should be okay. So that should be like 2 or 3 hours from now. And now we're going to get ready to make the turkey. So I'll be right back. See you soon. Okay, so the cranberry sauce is in the refrigerator cooling off. So now time to put this turkey breast into that Instant Pot over there. So let me bring it closer to me so I can see how this is going to work. I mean, I have made whole chickens in the Instant Pot, so this must be almost the same. I added like about 2 cups of chicken stock into the Instant Pot for the bottom of it, so that should be enough. Because I'm gonna make my own gravy with the stuff that comes out of here. Okay, let's see if it fits with this thing. I don't even think it matters which way it goes, in or out. Oh, perfect. So when it's done, look, guess what? Boop! Into the oven. I'm just gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna cheat a little bit because I am gonna use the oven for the last, just for the presentation to make it nice and brown on the top. So I added some onions in here.
But mostly cooks in the Instant Pot.
Yeah, the whole thing cooks in the Instant Pot. So this is it's not that big, this turkey breast, but I'm gonna put it in for like 35 minutes. See what happens, and then we'll check it. And then we do natural release. So here we go. I already seasoned it to my taste, so you can season yours to whatever way you like. Okay, so we seal it. Put it right here. Go to 30. Use my thumb because I don't want to put no turkey stuff on mine. I'm going to put 35 minutes. And that's it. Set it and forget it. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, because I bought some bread and it's not, I forgot to leave it out the plastic to make the, what you call it? Stuffing. So I'm going to put it in my air fryer just to get it a little bit hard in each tray because I got 3 trays. And then I'm going to make the stuffing. These are the sausages I made. to put it in my stuffing too. So I'll be back. See you soon.
He's trying to cook with the air fryer. She'll be back soon.
Okay, stay
So
here.
don't you worry, because it's gonna be a good Thanksgiving. Mwah.
Okay, turkey's in. The timer went on. It's already up pressure. It's 32 minutes to go. Now I'm gonna make some sweet potatoes, but I want to make roasted sweet potatoes this year. So I already cut them up. I took 3 sweet potatoes. I cut them up in cubes. I drizzled some olive oil, salt, pepper, a little bit of. I didn't put the brown sugar in yet. I'll do that after, and the honey, and with the butter. So I'm gonna put them in my air fryer now. See, try not to use my air fryer. So I'm gonna put the 3 trays in here. I'm gonna put it in for like 15 minutes. Once they're roasted, then I'll take them out and I'll show you guys how they came out. Okay? See you soon. Hi guys, welcome back. So sweet potatoes are done. These are the first tray. So get them out of here nice and roasted. The fun is just about to begin when I start adding the honey and the brown sugar. Oops, no escaping. You all must go in here. Me and my husband are the only one that likes sweet potato. My son hates sweet potato, but I love them. Just get them all in the little tray. This is where I'm gonna finish the magic. Oh, thank you. The next thing I'm going to do now is the stuffing. So the turkey's almost, well, it's almost done with the timer. I got 5 more minutes, so then I'm going to do natural release. So I'm going to still leave it in there for another 15-20 minutes until it does. It should take no more than 20 minutes to do his natural release there. Then we'll see how that came out. Okay. So this will go off. That's done with them. So I'm gonna take them, just add a little bit of butter, a lot of butter, and some cinnamon and some brown sugar, and then this side dish will be all done. Next step is my favorite machine, the Instant Pot. Now it's gonna be time to make my bread pudding. My stuffing. So I'm gonna put this on saute, very hot. I got olive oil in there, and I'm going to take some sausages that I cut up. There was round sausage I bought, and some onions. We don't really eat celery in this family, so I didn't even buy celery. So we're not going to add celery to this stuffing. It's supposed to be sausages, some onions, and seasoning, and some chicken broth. Once I cook the sausage and the onions, then I'm going to add some of the liquid in there, and then I'm going to take the bread and take the liquid and add it to the bread. And then I'm going to put it in this mold. That's why I'm gonna spray this with non-stick spray. I'm gonna stuff the bread. I keep calling this bread pudding. The stuffing in here, and then I'm just gonna put it for a few minutes in the Instant Pot just so it could get nice and cooked. It's already cooked, but get a little bit moist. And then after that, it's gonna go in the air fryer for like 5 minutes. Maybe in the air fryer. Yes, because this fits in the air fryer for like 5 minutes just to get a little bit of crispy, because we like a little bit of crispy on the top. And that's it. Then next step will be showing you how that turkey over there came out and making some gravy. So see you soon.
Okay, we'll see you soon. Oh my God, I lost my eye.
Look at this
I'll be
beautiful
right back.
Okay, so officially everything's done. So I just put the turkey in here for a little bit just to get a little brown on the top. See? My turkey breast, it's complete. So gravy's done, turkey's done, potatoes are done, sweet potato, bread pudding, everything's done. And barely no dishes, no pots, no stove. Only had to turn on the oven for 5 minutes exactly to get a little brown, see, a little crispy on the top. And it tastes delicious. So now we're gonna go eat. Once we're plating, maybe my husband will take a picture of the last filmed the last part of the video. And so hope you guys enjoy my Happy Thanksgiving Challenge Instant Pot cook-off. So have a great Thanksgiving and a good Christmas and a great 2020 next year. See you soon.
Look at this. Okay, so the police car's there.
Look how cool they look. Take a picture of me.
Yeah. Let's go in this way. Maybe less people. Nah, yeah, right.
There's people coming out with a shopping cart full of toys already.
Yeah.
Well, we might talk.
Every single section.
Thank you.
What you say?
It's busy in every single section. Of course it is. It won't be warmer if it wasn't. Here we go. We're entering the horror zone.
This is crazy. Look.
Want a shopping cart? You don't need a shopping cart. You need a shopping cart? I mean, to hold him down.
So hold me down for what?
You know, for walking, like,
Oh, no.
oh, look at this. Look at these lines. Where do you want to start from?
I want to go towards the back with the pajamas and stuff like that. I don't care about this stuff here.
So we need to go through there. Go through there. Cut through anyway. To the back, I don't care.
What's that?
Look at this. Oh, roadblock already?
Have the slime kit right there.
Great.
What are you looking for? No, Mama.
Sylvie, the birthday?
Come on, see this. Come on. Oh my God. This is insane here. Insane. Look
Dog bag.
at this.
I don't want to go through this.
I'm trying to find shortcuts. It's like driving in traffic.
Those are pretty decent.
Yeah. Here we go. Turn here. Yeah. Watch it. Ooh,
Excuse us. Don't let me know egg.
no.
Where's the egg?
Come on, go to the back.
Never mind. Oh, that's kids' foot. You got that.
See what they have here.
For $10 for this. Why we gotta go here?
Look at all the big stuff over there. There they go. How much is that one? 148. Yeah, the one is $89. Yeah, that's the one that. Oh, that's one you sit on.
Yes, it's $89.
You didn't see so special for these games?
That's good. Glue and everything.
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Oh, Molly, look.
Oh, yeah, I like that game. Yeah.
It's so old.
Trying to get through here. Oh, the electronics. See, they have any cameras on sale there.